Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little review on something I picked up on Amazon because the bug isn't currently at my house, so I can't really work on it. So let me flip the camera around and show you what I got on the table. Now this is a set of Durablocks, and I do have a few of these. You've seen them in some previous videos. They're just foam sanding blocks. Now I don't have a kit. I've got a small one and a slightly bigger one, and at work a couple of the guys do have a kit similar to this, and we kind of just share each other, so I don't really have one on my own. But I was thinking to myself, you know, I've got a lot of work to do on the bus and the Plymouth, and the bus is a really flat, paneled vehicle, so I got to do a lot of blocking on it, and I'm not going to cut it with what I got now. So I went on Amazon, and I said, what can I get for Durablocks? And they had a 6-piece kit, I think, for around $50. But it was weeks away, it looked like, I believe. So I went to, you know, the auto body supply website, and that same kit was like $60 on those websites. I said, well, this one here came with another block, and it was only $10 more. And if you don't know anything about Durablocks, they're not cheap. A single Durablock, the longer one that I bought, I think was like $20, 15, something around there, 20 to $25 for one block. Now this was $70 for 7 blocks. Now you might say, wow, $70 for sanding blocks, but when you look at it, you're only paying really $10 per block, and you get quite a few. And this one actually came with some like soap samples, which are nice because, you know, if you do body work or any automotive work, your hands get dirty. As you can see, these ones, I haven't washed these since I got home from work. I washed them at work. They're still dirty. So let's bust open this box. As you can see, you got a few blocks. The back of the box shows some other stuff that these people sell, you know, sanders and all that. Now this model number for the kit is AF44L, and it includes those ones there. So there is a piece of tape. I'm going to keep the box. I'm probably going to keep them in the box in my toolbox drawer because that makes sense to me. Now what is this? A little advertisement for some stuff they sell, and a list more. Now I'm gonna make it known, yeah, see, there's all the Durablocks they sell. Now I got the blocks that are for PSA paper. I prefer PSA paper, and these are the soap, it looks like. I prefer PSA paper compared to hook and loop, quote unquote Velcro. Velcro's a brand name, you can't really say that, and they can't say that either, but that's what it is. 3M calls it hook it. I can't remember what Norton calls it, but hook and loop. As you can see, 7-block kit though. So what do you get? Some soaps. This is Dura Scrub. It's got built-in something, and these are like little samples. So these sample ones, I don't think you get with every kit. These, I think you do get with most of the kits. But these are the blocks you get. So, we get this round one. Very nice. One of the guys at work actually has this cut in half. Also really nice. I suggest I might buy one of these and buy this separately and cut it in half. This is just a big block, and you know, a lot of the new cars and stuff, the round bits, you can't really get this in there. So you cut it in half. You got this thinner one here. This is one of them that I do have at the shop. This is probably 5 inches long. And, you know, this is like the most common one I use. This is one I do already have, so I'm probably going to take the one I already have, this, and cut it in half. Because once again, having smaller blocks is nice. But this is probably, I think, 11 inches long. About 1 inch wide. This one here, same 11 inches long, but this is a full width. Now these blocks here are made for sandpaper that I believe is 2 3/4 inches wide. Yeah, right around 2 3/4. And so that's a standard roll of PSA paper. Let me go grab one, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is the kind of paper that you would use in a block like this. about 2 3/4 wide. This is actually Durablock paper. I think this is Duragold. Now, not all the papers are going to come with this backing. The ones I like, which is Norton, which I use at the shop, doesn't have this paper backing you have to pull off. It actually, the sandpaper bit is on the roll like that. And so when you pull it off, it's stuck to itself, so there's no backing. You can just rip it off and stick it immediately to the block, which is nice. But that's what this is meant for, and now, like I said, they also make it for hook and loop. I don't know how that works. I doubt they could put a hook and loop paper on a roll, so I'm sure there's like a set size they sell. And this is a longer block. This is probably 16 inches, and this is probably the one that's going to get the most use on the bus, because the bus has those huge panels, so you'd be using this. Now, these are really, it says right on them, they're EVA foam, wet and dry, but these are stiff. These aren't like, they're foam blocks, but they're not like a styrofoam or anything. They're very stiff foam blocks, and you can bend them. I mean, here, I'll take the smaller one. You can bend them to do what you want. These aren't really meant for that. But like I said, this was $70 for 7 blocks. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in this. I don't know. I didn't really look on YouTube to see if there are any reviews of this kit out there, so there might be, but hopefully you like this one. For what you're paying, basically $10 a block, you really can't go wrong buying the kit. If you're going to do any sort of body work on your own vehicle, or if you're restoring your car, I'd highly recommend a kit like this. Like I said, this is my first kit, but I use Durablocks every day at work, and they're great blocks. I've never broke a Durablock. I use this block normally most of the time, and like the corners get pushed in from hitting panels, but it doesn't defeat the purpose of the block here. And you can do a lot with them, like I said, cutting the smaller ones and whatnot. So hopefully you get as much use out of them if you get them as someone like me would that uses them on a professional level. I mean, these are I don't want to call them an expensive block. I'm sure there's more expensive blocks out there, but these are a pricier product that is high quality. You will probably buy one kit of these and be set for many, many, many years before they start, getting chunks taken out accidentally and you just can't use it anymore, that kind of thing. So, like I said, hopefully this has been helpful for anyone that's interested in purchasing a new kit of sanding blocks or a set like this for the first time. There'll be a link in the description on Amazon to this package of blocks. I got it there. It was Prime, so I mean they have them ready to go. I figure I should show you how this stuff works. Applying the paper. I'm just going to use a small piece. I'm not going to do a full block, but I'll take this one. This is just, the 5-inch block or whatever. You're just going to take the paper. What I do is I normally lay it out, grab it, rip it. I mean, you can get perfect. They make machines to stick on the wall, so you can rip it off in a straight line. I'm probably going to get one of those for here. That's what I use at the shop. But then you just, stick it on. And try to line it up as best as you can. There you go. Roll the edge over. Then when you're done, that's it. Now, normally, it's not going to come off that easy once you've been sanding because this is pressure sensitive. And what else I like about this sticky paper, if you need a piece of 600, you can just do the old fold over. Now it's 600 on both sides. But I just figured I should have showed you that. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and a comment. If you have any questions about using these or, if these are the right thing for you, leave a comment or send me an email. My email is in the About tab on the main channel page. I'll be happy to help you out. This is what I do every day. I'm always happy to help out someone that is getting into it or, just they've been doing it, but they haven't done it in a while. That anything. If you need help, let me know in the comments or send me an email, and I'll try to help you as best I possibly can. That's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a comment. And like I said, if you're new around here and you liked what you saw, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of videos on bodywork, mostly Volkswagens and the Plymouth. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure to check those out too. Hopefully I see you there in the comments. And hopefully start seeing more videos from me. I know it's been a while since I've done one. And, you know, I'd like to be working on the Bug, but it's not here right now. So I'm doing this. And this is going to get put to use not on the Bug, but on the Plymouth, on the bus, possibly any other future projects. These are going to stick around for a long time, like I said. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good week, weekend, day, whenever you're watching this. Have a good one. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye guys.